So today we're talking about MDI. And on our control, it's going to be this button right here. Now, what we're going to do, this will allow us to be able to write a program, put it into our memory, and then it'll actually allow us to store it as a program in our program library later on if we choose to. So what we're going to do is just program in some simple things. These can be one lines of code, or you can kind of build a program as you're going to go. So what we're going to do is we're going to start by pressing MDI. This screen then becomes our active screen. It's white, and we have MDI up in the corner. So what we can do is go ahead and type in just some simple commands. M3S700, and then okay, let's add to that. We've got our M3S700 already on. We're going to add turret position 1, offset 1, that's T101. Next, we're going to do our save startup line, that's G0, G20, G40, G80, G99. Then we'll have our work offset in at G54, X of 2.1, Z of 0.1, that's where we want to wrap it to. We'll then wrap it up to Z0, that's the face of the stock. Then we'll feed down G1 at feed rate 12,000 per revolution down to negative X of 20 thousandths. So let's take a look and see what that looks like as we run it in our machine. Okay, so I'm going to finish out the rest of my program. I'm going to wrap it at 2.1 in X and Z.1. That'll be just in front of my part and just a little bit larger than the diameter. Then I'll wrap it down to X of 1.925. And if you'll notice the next line, I have to change to a G1 because both those commands, G1 and G0, are modal, and they stay the same until they're changed. Now I'm going to feed back negative 300 thousandths. I'm going to retain the same feed rate I had before. Then I will wrap it back to X of 2.1, Z of 0.1, that's my start point, and M30 will reset the program to the very beginning. Okay, so let's see what that looks like.